Hey guys, so here are the answers to yesterday's math assignment, pages 270 and 271 in your math journals. Some of your answers were kind of hard for me to see, so I'm just going to let you look at the answers, check them, and then let me know with an email or in our Zoom meeting today if you have any questions. So page 270, I think I went over 1 and 2 with you. But here's number 3. You're going to do 42.52 divided by Alex and his 3 friends. So divided by 4. And here's the work. And number 4 is 98.4 centimeters divided into 3 equal pieces. And here's the work here. And there are the answers. So if you need to pause it to look and compare your answers with mine, go ahead and do that. Otherwise, I'm going to keep going. Okay, 5, 6, 7, 8, all you have to do is insert the decimals. So here's kind of the number models to estimate. Now, if yours aren't exactly like mine, that's fine, as long as it's kind of close. So again, pause if you need to. On page 271, I just did the work right here. So here are the answers, 9 and 10. 11 and 12, and then 13 and 14. So just pause it, check your work. If you have any questions, let me know.